Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Wanted to go over this sling bag with you. They were nice enough to send this to me for review, so I do appreciate that. And yeah, let's go right over it. Alrighty, so there's the bag. Now the company is Cajmols, C-A-J-M-O-L-S. Links will be in the description. You got a spot right here for a water bottle, which I just have a Powerade bottle. Might have to zoom that out just a bit so you guys can see. It's kind of pointless if you guys can't see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna need to do something really quick. I need to get a drink. So anyway, get a water bottle holder there. And this front pouch here just has a bandana tucked in there, which you can see it's, it's got it fits all the way in there. I have big hands. It's held together with Velcro. It's got a nice yellow liner, which hopefully you guys can see that, which I actually dig. This whole front thing here opens up all the way, which I actually like. And it's gusseted, so it actually stays open, so you can put a lot in there. I don't have very much in here, just because there's another pocket back here, a pocket here in the front. Then I just threw a couple of drink mixes in here, because I like to get these crystal lights. I'm gonna go ahead and get a drink going because I'm thirsty. Anyway, sorry about that. I'm actually just like I'm doing multiple videos at once out here. So, oh, I got a spork in here too. So, I'm gonna do some lunch out here, I think. And then there's a larger pocket here, which zips all the way down. And you can see there's a large pocket in here. I just got some camera batteries, a few odds and ends. But you see the inside. Bright yellow, which I kind of dig because it makes things easier to find. And it's got a pocket on the inside. It doesn't go all the way down, but that's fine for smaller items and things you want to keep close in hand. It's there on the front strap here. It has a pocket here as well, which I just threw in the Woodsman signal panel, which I dropped. But you could probably put sunglasses or a player in there. I don't know if this for earbuds goes all the way through. It looks like it. No, it does. It actually goes all the way through, so you can put an MP3 player in here and just have the cable come out and pop in your ear, so you can listen to tunes or something. So yeah, I actually like it. It's hasn't seen any hikes yet, but got a attachment point for the shoulder strap on each side, here and here, so you can carry it however. I kind of wish it had Molly for the water bottle holder, because I would have attached a different one on there for a bigger bottle, because I drink a lot. But minor criticism. I like it. Simple. I've got the classic car show tomorrow. I'm debating taking it with me and using it. My only hang up is it's gonna be 95 tomorrow according to the weather, and I might need a little bit more water, so we'll see. Well, alrighty. So tomorrow, August 7th, there's the classic car show that I mentioned in my community tab, and I'm thinking about taking this with me. So if I do, I'm gonna throw in a excuse me, I drank too fast. I'm gonna be doing I'll do a bag dump video probably at home, just to show you what I'm gonna take. It's supposed to be 95 tomorrow, so it'd be nice to have a few things just to have. Maybe I don't know about bug spray, but definitely gonna need some sunscreen. Probably a good idea for the back of the neck and stuff. And I may do a bag dump tomorrow, just to show you guys what I'm gonna take. And yeah, so if it's there, I'll put it at the end, which most likely I'm going to do, because I'm going to probably take a few things with me. Plus a bag to put my camera in, and my other odds and ends, and a bandana to wipe my brow. And so I'll think about what I'm going to take tomorrow. Alrighty, so real quick, I didn't take very much. In fact, I took hardly anything, but I thought I'd show you. I was going to bring sunscreen, but I decided just to throw some in the back of my neck before I left the house, so I didn't have to bring it. But still, neck sunburns are annoying because your shirt rubs against it. Just a bandana, wipe off your brow. Never needed it. And the front zip pocket here, I put the Ultra Pod for the camera. So, and that was it. Oh, I did have, where are they? Are they in here? Oh yeah, I had several of my business cards for my channel, but I ended up not using them. So, just in case someone saw me filming and they asked, I just handed them a card. And I have full Nalgene in here. I drank all but this much water, so about, what? 28 ounces of water. 36 ounces of water I guzzled, because it was like 97. And then I brought my Nikon, which I took all the pictures and video on, plus the case, so it wouldn't get scratched. And that was it. That's all I had with me. Just super simple. I'm in town, so it's not like I need to bring any kind of kit with me. Plus I had my regular EDC items like knife and wallet and flashlight, which I never needed. So, well, alrighty. Well, appreciate you watching. The link will have the bag in the description, and I'll put that below for you to check out if you want to go take a look. Price is $29.99. I think it's pretty reasonable. Seems pretty well made. Pretty comfortable too. And yeah, all the links will be below. I do appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.